po tayo magsasagawa ng simpleng seremonya, but we are here to celebrate a vision, isang pangarap na unti-unting nagiging realidad. I acknowledge the very dedicated architect, Architect Oliver Robang and Architect Ian Gabriel. And of course, kay Sir Mac Arturo Lagunilla and his wife.